Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the search criteria using Postgresql, how to work with the search. So I am going to go to the database. I am going to create a new database. Select the database, right click, new, create database. So I am going to create the database as LB bank. The database LB bank. Go to the LB bank. Okay, I have created the database as LB bank. After that, what I am going to do is here click save button. Now you can see your database begin creating. How to save the click save button. Now you can see the database has been created successfully. You have to expand the database. The database, you can't see the table. Here schema, inside the schema you have a table. Public, here the public folder, inside public folder there will be table. Right click, create table. So give the column name and all here. Here I am going to create the table name is account. Account columns. First one should be ID int integer. After that you have to give the primary key. Yes. Here you have to click edit rows. Here I am going to definition of constraint. Okay, identity 1. You have to give the increment by 1. Right, save. Right. Now I am going to go to the columns. Columns. Second column I am going to create as name. Account holder name. Here definition. Data type text. Save. I am going to create another column. Right click, create column. This one should be the balance. Definition integer. Right. Now what I am going to do is here select this account for right click, view all. This all the columns you can name ID, name and balance. If you enter the ID, here name and balance should be displayed. Okay. So now what I am going to ID should be the auto increment. I have put it over here. So here what I am going to see, I am going to no need to auto increment part. You have to edit this one. Here I am going to create one more columns. Right click, create column, account holder ID. Account number. I am going to get the account number. Account number should be just text. Okay. Because I am going to enter two things, right? Account type. Right. Now you have to. Right. Now we have done all the stuff. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create the records. Right click and script. Right. Now here what I am going to see auto increment. All the stuff are there. So I am going to insert the record. Insert script. Here I am going to create ID should be auto increment. Name I am going to write here as John. Balance 5,000. Account number A0001. Okay. Now we have right click, run it. So what's the problem? Okay, this one should be the name. You have to put it the double quotation mark. That's the problem. Give one. The problem is this. Single quotation. Go to code. Here also we have tried double quotation. Number 1. ID column no need here because it is auto increment, so you have to get rid of this line. So here John, you have to Peter 15,000 A002. Okay. Now I'm going to run the query inside. Now right click, view, edit data, or you can see John and Peter. The records should be there. Okay. Now how to find the records we'll see. Right. Now what I'm going to do is go to the NetBeans. I'm going to create a new project. Project Postgresql search records. Click on this one. Right click. FM form. Postgresql. Sorry. Search. Bank account. I give the name of account. You can give a name to the form name. Expand the form a little bit bigger. Here I'm going to drag the panel over here. This panel simply you have right there. Drag, right click, properties. Here border. I give the border as bevel border. Hit OK. Here I'm going to drag the label. This label account number. Click on this one, properties, font, bold, 18. After that, drag the text field. Click on this one, properties. This one should be bold with 18. Close it, right click, edit, backspace to remove it, txt, acc. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here the balance should be displayed here. Account now if you enter the account number, the balance. So your balance. The same thing. We don't need this one. Same thing. Control C to copy. These two things. Control C to copy. Control V to paste below. Here balance. Balance should be displayed over here. Here txt balance. Right. Perfect. Now here I'm going to text. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Here account number. Find. Sorry. Here LB back. Postgresql. Give the name. Perfect. We have to give the 36. Perfect. Right. Now let's select this one. Source. Control F. UI. Metal. Select again. Properties. Code. Generate center. Close it. Run again. Close. Click. You can see it's working perfectly well. Now what I'm going to do is here simply Now I'm going to download the PostgreSQL driver in order to connect with PostgreSQL and NetBeans. So go to the Google and type PostgreSQL connector for Java. Click on the first link. Click here this version and download. I already downloaded. If you click it begin downloaded, you have to download them. I already downloaded, so I just cancel it. Now after downloaded, select the libraries, right click, add jar folder. Here post is this connector is must in order to connect with this. Okay, so let's open it. Successfully coming here, this jar file. Now you will be able to connect. Okay, first what I'm going to do is, first you have to implement the source code. Class import java dot sql r. Right. After that I'm going to create a connection con prepare statement pst. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a public void connect. Now here what I'm going to do, you have to go to here, put add the connection. This is how we have registered the PostgreSQL. Okay, this is how you have to register the PostgreSQL. Here, register. You have to click on this one, try a catch, copy this one, paste it over here. Right, this is a connection. You have to add the close as well. Click on here, catch. That's it. PostgreSQL is working now. Now what I'm going to do is, have to connectivity is done. Now let's do the search part. So this is the button. I have to put in the button. You need a button, so drag the one button. Search. Properties. Bold 18. Perfect. Select this one. Event action perform. Here I'm going to write this one. Connection est now here, so write this all set rs, click on here, try catch, select them, post it over here. Right, now here we have to search the stuff. Here we have to write this one equal to the relevant variable. So we have to write the same account number. So this is the account number. So this string ACC number equal txt. What the text box name I have given? Name ACC. ACC dot get text. What's the number you are selected? It assigned here. Get them here. Select all from. What's the table name? Account. This is the table name. Where? What is the column? Account number. Account number. What is the account number? So type here. It's coming here. It's put in here. It's searching and display the relevant records here. Account number not found. If it is found, result should be displayed over here. txt bal, the text field result should be displayed. Here result is should be display the balance. Right, it's a balance. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Here this one should be, what's the name of the database? LB Bank. Database name is must, you are given. This is the, while installing the Postgresql, this is the username and password. Okay, this is how we have given the database path. So database reside on the localhost Postgresql. This is how we have to given the connection, establish the database connection. So run it, enter the account number, click search. What's the problem? The balance, this one should be int, but int balance. So you have write integer dot pass it. You have to this one copy it, paste it over here. So passing the balance over here. So by the balance you have write string dot value of passing this one balance dot string. Right, now what is the problem? This one, so we expect another one, bracket can't, what's the int that passing balance should be displayed over here. Right, now now here this is the connection, database connection. We'll copy and paste it over here. Okay, now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. This connection I haven't called it into a constructor. That's the problem. It's not working. Click search. Now it's working. If it is 2, 15. If it is 3, account number not found. Working perfectly well. I hope you guys understood the things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.